Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete all Gmail message through one click. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So when we open the Gmail and we see that there are many message from here. So when we will delete it one by one, it will be very time consuming. So I will show you how you can delete it through one click. So for this, firstly press the Chrome and then you will see this icon. Click on it and then click on storage and then click on manage store and then clear all data from here, then click on OK. Then go back and open the Chrome and then select the ID on which you want to delete all message. So click on continue. Yes. And then click on three dots and choose the desktop site and then click on email or Google. So there are all mails. If I click on it, then you can see only 50 conversation on this page are selected. So if I want to select all, then click on more options, then click on all mails and then again click on it and then you will see the options select all conversation. Click on it and you will see there are 9,312 conversations. So after selecting, then click on the delete icon and then click on OK and here wait some second. You can see that I have deleted all the mails through one click. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.